Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium fertilizer at home. Creating your own potassium-rich fertilizer is a fantastic way to boost your garden's health naturally. We'll explore several simple methods using readily available materials, transforming waste into valuable plant food. This process is not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly, helping your plants thrive with essential nutrients. Wood ash is an excellent source of potassium, particularly potassium carbonate. Ensure you only use ash from untreated wood, as treated wood can contain harmful chemicals. You can directly sprinkle a small amount, about 1/4 cup per square yard, around your plants. For a liquid feed, mix 1 cup of ash with 5 gallons of water, let it sit for a few days, then strain and apply to the soil. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, making them a wonderful natural fertilizer. You can chop the peels into small pieces and bury them directly in the soil near your plants, allowing them to decompose slowly. Another effective method is to dry the peels completely, then grind them into a fine powder. This powder can be mixed into the soil or used as a top dressing for a steady nutrient release. Beyond wood ash and banana peels, many other organic materials can enrich your soil with potassium. Adding items like seaweed, kelp, and even alfalfa meal to your compost pile significantly boosts its potassium content. A well-balanced compost is a cornerstone of healthy gardening, providing a slow and steady supply of nutrients. Remember, healthy soil leads to healthy, vibrant plants, and homemade fertilizers are a great step towards that goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.